10.20. Answer the following question. A. When a low-flying aircraft passes overhead, we sometimes notice a slight shaking of the picture on our TV screen. Suggest the possible explanation. So that is due to interference between the direct waves as well as the waves which are received by your antenna, which are reflected from the plane. So direct wave અને જે reflected wave આવે છે, due to superposition of these two, the interference takes place, and due to that the picture is shaking one. Then B. As you have learned in the text, the principle of linear superposition of wave displacement is basic to understanding intensity distribution in diffraction and interference pattern. What is the justification of this principle? Because here in superposition principle, we take the resultant displacement, that is the summation of the displacements under the effect of individual waves. So the resultant amplitude of the wave that can be obtained by this superposition principle, and if we have the amplitude of the resultant wave, then we will get intensity, because intensity proportional to square of amplitude. Clear to all of you?